So hi, this is an introduction video for our guests, those who have not yet subscribed to the course or those who have basically not logged in. So if you are not logged into the course and if you want to see what is going on and what you will be getting once you get enrolled in the course, so just for the so let me walk you through it. So as you saw, I logged out, and this is what you will see once you have just entered or landed on the page. Now suppose you want to access AIHL course. Now simply you can click on it, and once you click on it, you can access it as a guest. And when you access it, you will see that all these lock signs, so these are available to those who have enrolled in for the course. But if you want to figure out, if you want to see what is there for what is there in the course, so this is a demo section. So this is one of the papers which I have made available for free, and you can take out this question paper and you can check out at what you will get and how what would be the experience of this course. And again, you can obviously check out the formula booklet, and you can by clicking on this link, you can reach out to us over WhatsApp. So yes, this is it, and if you have any questions, any doubts, please reach out to me. Thank you.